guys, let's open this bag. So I have here, ooh, this is from the heat holders. Holders. Got here is a socks. This is perfect for the winter, guys, to keep me warm. And here are my gloves. I like this kind of gloves so I can cover it like a mittens, because sometimes I like to expose my finger, not covered with all the gloves. So here, winter ideas, accessories, gloves, a socks. This is kind of thick. Let me check. 5 times warmer. Wow, this kind of thick though. I don't know if I can wear it on my boots. See, this is kind of thick. Well, maybe if I wear a slipper. It's nice. I like it. Just maybe it's very cold. So this is from the heat weavers. This is from the, heat holders. Okay, so I hope it gives you ideas to get